Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be discussing this long answer question for 5 marks from the NCERT exemplar. Now the question is, a train travels at a certain speed for a distance of 63 kilometers and then travels a distance of 72 kilometers at an average speed of 6 kilometers per hour, more than its original speed. Now if it takes 3 hours to complete the total journey, then what is its original average speed? Okay, so let me assume, let the original average speed be equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay, now let's split this question into two parts. In the first part, they've mentioned that the train travels a distance of 63 kilometers at the original speed. So 63 kilometers at a speed of x kilometer per hour. And in the second part, they've mentioned that the train travels a distance of 72 kilometers at an average speed of 6 kilometer per hour more. So that is 72 kilometers at a speed which is equal to x plus 6, because it's 6 more than the original speed. Okay, and they've said that the total time taken to complete the journey is 3 hours. So total time is given to be equal to 3 hours. Now we know that time can be found using the formula distance by speed. So let me find the time in the first case. So that distance traveled was 63 kilometers and the speed was x. And in the second case, the distance traveled is 72 kilometers and the speed is x plus 6. Now together, the total time is 3 hours. So now I have my quadratic equation. Let's solve this equation. Let me make the denominator the same first. So 63 times x plus 6 plus 72 times x divided by x times x plus 6 is equal to 3. That will give me 63x plus 63 times 6 plus 72x is equal to 3x into x plus 6. That is 63x plus 18, 36, 37, 378 plus 72x is equal to 3x squared plus 18x. So when we simplify it, we would get 3x squared plus 18x minus 135x minus 378 equal to 0. So that's 3x squared minus 117x minus 378 equal to 0. Let me divide throughout with 3 and I would get a simpler equation as x squared minus 39x minus 126 is equal to 0. Now we just have to solve this quadratic equation. Equation was x squared minus 39x minus 126 is equal to 0. Okay, we need to think of two numbers whose product is equal to minus 126 and sum is equal to minus 39. Okay, so the two numbers would be minus 42x plus 3x minus 126 is equal to 0. So I've split minus 39 to minus 42x and plus 3x. Let me take out common terms from the first two terms and I can take out x from it. So x times x minus 42 plus 3 times x minus 42 is equal to 0. So that is x minus 42 times x plus 3 is equal to 0, or the value of x could be either 42 or x could be minus 3. Now since speed cannot be negative, therefore x not equal to minus 3. Therefore x is equal to 42. The original speed of the train is equal to 42 km per hour. If you have a math question that you'd like me to cover, drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to do a video just for you. Also, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.